constantly in the state of using dirty eyeshadow brushes. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a quick little drugstore full face look. I really wanted to focus on the skin. It's really quick, just kind of me testing out a couple things, testing out a look, just like purple winged eyeliner and lashes and some fun highlighters and lips, but I haven't done a full face of drugstore recently, so I figured I would just do all drugstore and test out the stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to do more drugstore stuff, so comment what you guys want to see. And I'm going to be going back to college soon, so if you have any specific college videos you guys want to see too, comment about that, and I can do that. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in a couple seconds. Subscribe if you want good content. I'm here all week. Okay, bye, I'll see you guys in a second. So first I'm starting out with eyes, which is something I don't normally do, but I want the main focus to be the skin, so I figured I would do that last. So first off, I'm just going to prime my eyes with the NYX HD primer. I honestly don't remember what any other primers are like. I've been using this primer for so long. Okay, and then I'm just going to set that primer with my pressed powder that I'm going to be using. And I'm just going to use like a big fluffy brush. And then I'm just going to really quickly put some of the bronzer that I'm going to be using, which is the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer, and I'm just going to put that in the crease. Okay, we're just going to put that in the crease. Super lightly. Just to give us a little bit of depth. I'm just going to use the NYX Vivid Bright in Vivid Blossom. This is a purple eyeliner. That's why I have tape on, because I can't remember the last time I did a wing. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic eyeshadow palette. This is the old one. I know they revamped this. This is the really, really old one from when it literally got first released. So, and I have barely touched it. But this is considered drugstore, I would say. Like, I know you can't really get it at like CVS or Walgreens, but you can get it like at Ulta for the price of drugstore. I'm gonna take Milky Way and Cosmic. I don't know what they're called in the new ones, but these are just the two purple eyeshadows. I'm gonna take the darker part of Milky Way, like the darker purple corner. I'm gonna put that on the outskirts of the eyeshadow. I'm gonna take Cosmic and put that on the inner part. And now I'm just going to take my wings off. Ugh. And we have this very sharp line that of winged eyeliner that isn't super impressive. But for primer, I'm going to mix L'Oreal's Magic Lumi Light Infusing Primer and NYX's Honey Do Me Up. I really like these two primers for like glowy skin. So I'm just going to apply one pump of this on the back of my hand and apply it with my fingers. And then I'm going to apply the Honey Do Me Up just right onto the skin with its little paddle situation. A lot comes off of like one little spoonful, so okay. And I'm going to blend that all in with my Beauty Blender. But now you have this very natural lip from within glow for an affordable price. Okay, and then I'm going to take my L'Oreal Proglow Infallible in 202 Creamy Natural. Just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and then just go in. Okay. Something is really burning my eyes, and I feel like it could be my beauty blender because I just cleaned it, so I'm just gonna like blend this all in with a brush. Take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in porcelain, because you know me, palest gal on the block. So the travesty really is that I don't have like a loose powder to put underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to be using my Wet n Wild concealers and the Sonia Kashuk one to put underneath my eyes. This is from their Hidden Agenda palette. You already know, if I had my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, that's where this would be. I would die for that face powder. But unfortunately, like everything, I left it in my dorm because I'm a disaster. But what can you do? This powder's actually pretty nice. Never used it before. I'm going to take a little bit of Warm Light, which is also the face powder from Wet n Wild. I'm just going to do that around the perimeters of my eye. Like I'm not gonna like go super intense with setting it underneath my eye. I was gonna cream contour, but every time I say I want a cream contour, I just don't, because I'm lazy. I'm gonna finish up the eyes a little bit and the rest of the face. This has been a very out of order tutorial. I'm gonna take this the NYC Sunny Bronzer, and I'm gonna take the same blending brush that I used before and take that color underneath my lash line. I'm gonna use that to bronze with now. I'm gonna take this big fluffy brush that I've been using to bronze with and just go to town. So I went off camera and applied eyelashes after bronzing with the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer. And I just used the Ardell Double Wispies. Just put L'Oreal Extra Intense Carbon Black Liquid Pencil Eyeliner. I put it in the tight line and I like dragged it down a little bit, you know, as I do. And then I applied mascara. I just used L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise just to glue the lashes together. And then for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Cosmic, and I'm just going to take that on just any brush, really. And then for blush, I'm going to take Flower Beauty Sweet Pea Blush. I'm not going to take too much. Just a very light. And I'm going to film another video testing out these two highlighters. NYX holographic Halo and L'Oreal True Match Lumi Shimmerista. So I'm going to apply both of these off camera because I'm going to be filming another video. And then after that we'll just finish up the rest of this look. So I did the other video and now I'm just going to apply lips. And I really don't know what I want to do for lips. I want to do a nude, and I need a nude lip liner. Okay, I'm going to take NYX Nude Beige. I did a bit of an overdraw there. And I'm going to take Maybelline's Truffle Tease lipstick. And that's the lips, actually. I was going to do a gloss, but I kind of like this. And yeah, this is a your simple full face of drugstore makeup. I don't really know what I'm gonna call this yet. I guess in the intro I'll have to decide. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.